Yes, just stop it. 200 logs are stacked in the following manner: 20 logs in the bottom row, 19 in the next row, 18 in the row next to it, and so on. In how many rows are the 200 logs placed, and how many logs are there in the top row? But I hope you know the meaning of logs. If you can look into the book as well. These are wooden blocks. Have you seen the logs?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
आप तकते बोलते हो, these are the wooden blocks, and they have been placed like this in the form of a pyramid. You must have seen people placing glasses one over the another, or playing cards one over the other. They make pyramid like this. Suppose you have, I am not going to draw 20 on the board, I'm just giving an example to you. Suppose there are 5 blocks like this. On the top of it, can you place 5 more? Will it be
Yes,
possible
ma'am.
for you to place 5 over the 5?
no, ma'am.
No, they will all fall off. So the best way is you just put one here, one here, one here. So how many can be placed?
4,
4. On the top of it,
3,
3. Over it, 2.
2,
And finally, you can place one log here.
1.
Right? So that is how the pyramid is going to be. Right? So what they are saying in the question is they have 200 logs with them in all. And they don't know how to place how many rows will it be making. Like this is row 1. This is row 2.
2,
And likewise. So what they have done is they have taken 20 logs in the bottommost row. I'm not making all 20. You will understand that these are 20 logs in all. And this is their row 1. In row 1, they have placed 20 logs. Right, beta? In the next row, how many logs will be there? As per the
19,
row 2, there are 90. Beta, 200 in all, 20 and 19. How many have been occupied in the 2 rows?
39,
39 already gone. In the next, they will place 18. In the next, they will place 17. Continuing like this, they will continue until and unless all 200 logs are going to be occupied. They will continue unless and until all 200 are going to be occupied. So can you just tell me what are they expecting us to do?
ma'am, sum
Find
of
in
all
terms.
rows.
Yes, suppose there are n rows.
In terms.
Suppose there are n rows. What is the sum of these n rows, beta?
Sn equal n by 2.
I'm not asking the formula but value. The sum of first n rows is coming out to be 200.
200.
Yes, because these logs 20 in the first, 19 in the next, 18 in the next, continuing like this. Is it ultimately forming an AP, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Forming an AP with first term
20,
20. And the common difference is
1.
1,
1 or minus 1?
Minus 1.
Minus 1. The AP is decreasing. So the common difference is minus 1. And Sn is 200. So we shall apply the formula of Sn to get the value of n. Whatever will be n, those many rows are going to be there. And also they are asking
Yes,
the
ma'am.
number of logs in that row. The number of logs in that row. The number of logs in that row will be represented by which symbol?
N. N.
Is number of rows. The number of logs in that particular row will be
N.
represented an.
N.
Right here, A1 is 20. Right? A1 20 means row is 1. And this 20 represent the number of logs in row 1. Right? So an represents the number of logs in that row. And n represent number of rows. Are you with me, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you understood the question?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Amok, is it in continuation or there is going number of logs can be written as can be written as 20, 19, 18 and so on, beta. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Clearly, this forms an AP with A1 equal 20, B equal 19 minus 20, which is minus 1. Right? Let there be n rows in all such that Sn is equal to 200. Fine, beta. Are you clear till here? Are you clear till here? Yes. So let us apply the formula of Sn, which is n by 2, 2a1, n minus 1d equal 200. 2 into 20, n I don't know. So n minus 1 into minus 1 equal 200. Further, this means n 2 into 20 is 40 minus n plus 1 and this 2 will go that side. What does it become?
400.
400. I'm going to fall short of space, so I'm just drawing a partition line beta and solving some part here. So this gives me, bache, n 40 plus 1 is 41. So minus n plus 41 is equal to 400. Right? Open the bracket, minus n square plus 41n. Bring it here. Minus 400 equal to 0. And since I want this first term to be positive, so I'm multiplying or dividing, anything you can do, by minus 1. So now this becomes n square minus 41n plus 400 is equal to 0. Now we need to factorize 400 to get 41. 400 to be factorized. Let us factorize 400 to get 41. G.
2
Can this
into
be
2.
4 into 100? First of all, let us separate out the bigger terms. This 100 can further be written as 4 and 25. Now 4 fours are 4 fours are
16, 16,
and this is 25.
5,
And 25 plus 16 makes it
4,
40.
41.
yes. So 9 n square minus 16n minus 25n plus 400 is equal to 0. Factorizing, we get n common, n minus 16 minus 25 n minus 16. G beta, which is n minus 16 n minus 25 is equal to 0. So this gives me n is equal to 16
to 16,
or n is equal to 25.
25.
Just let me know. Let me know. Since both are natural numbers, we have no reason to discard any of the values. But can a question have two different values as an answer?
No,
Can we
ma'am.
say that 16
No,
rows?
ma'am.
There are 16 rows in which all 200 will be occupied, or there are 25 rows in which all 200 will be occupied. We need to apply common sense in this question. 20 are there in the lowest most. Then there will be 19, 18, 17. Even if we go till up till 1, how many rows are supposed to be there total?
16.
16.
If we are starting
20.
from 20, and let us assume we go till 1,
21.
rows are there. 20, 19, 18, up till 1. 20 rows,
Yes, ma'am.
like I made initially 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So whatever is the lowest number, only those many maximum rows, na beta? उससे उसके बियॉन्ड तो वी कैन नॉट गो. अगर आपने 5 ली, 4, 3, 1, तो 5 ही तो मैक्सिमम रोज बनेंगी. आपने 20 ली है इन द लोएस्ट रो, कैन इट बी 25?
No,
थिंक
ma'am.
अबाउट.
No, ma'am.
No,
क्या
ma'am.
कैसे? तो 25 रोज, 25 तो होगा ही नहीं. 20 के बाद 1 इज द मैक्सिमम, टॉप 1. So 20, 19 up till 120. So which is not possible?
25.
25.
Not possible as it is greater than.
20.
Not possible as 25 is greater than 20. Okay? It's not possible as 25 is greater than 20. So how many rows are there?
16.
16.
16. And the number of logs in each row? In that 16th row, we need to find A of what?
A 16.
Yes. Thus, there are 16 rows. There are 16 rows and number of logs is equal to A16, which is A1 plus 15D. A1 is your 20, D is minus 1. So 20 minus 15 will give you,
5. 5.
got it? Amog,